Chef's Girl here. We have some leftover pasta dough that we're going to use to show you how to make
egg yolk raviolo.
egg yolk raviolo. Egg yolk raviolo.
As you saw from another video, we made the spinach and ricotta mezzalune. I have some dough and some filling left. So I'm gonna show you how to do a quick recipe, but it's not very easy. You have to be very careful while you prepare it, because it's very, very delicate. We have our dough, and we're just gonna stretch it pretty thin. Dai, Michela! As you can see.
Can you stop focus? The cats feel like they'll distract you.
So as you can see, the dough is pretty thin. It doesn't have to be too thin, otherwise it's gonna break. This is gonna be the shape we're gonna do. It's the largest, 10 centimeters. I'm just gonna push a little bit, so I see where I'm gonna put the stuff. Here we have our ricotta and spinach left over. And what I'm gonna do is so as you can see, there is a nice circle. It's empty in the middle. It's where usually people make mistakes breaking the egg yolk. So you have to be very careful. Alright, so the egg yolk, I'm gonna put it very, very slowly in the center.
Woo!
Now with the egg white, we're gonna brush it around. We're gonna fold it very, very
carefully.
And as you can see, you can nearly see the egg yolk and the spinach ricotta. And you just go very, very. Alright, as you can see, now it's nice and sealed. I'm gonna cut it around. Very delicate. We're gonna press a little bit here. Alright, and we have our egg yolk raviolo.
Wow! Looks amazing.
Now, we have our little pan here, just for. We're gonna put butter, and we are quickly gonna do some burnt butter.
We've also got a pot of salted boiling water going. Now that the butter has melted, we can now drop our raviolo in our pot. Slowly put it in. Yep. Get back on. So we have to be really careful when we're cooking this, because you know when the egg yolks are
Look at the
overcooked.
butter.
Now the raviolo is ready.
Very simple. We put it in the plate. We cover it in parmesan, like that, and we drop the burnt butter on top of the cheese, so it melts. And now, very important thing. As you can see, the egg yolk is still running, but
Amazing.
let's try. Also, that's very good.
Is it?
You want some?
Yeah.
No.
Okay. Now that's a really super challenging, interesting recipe to try at home. So give it a shot, see how you go, and if you cook it too much, well, it just becomes a scrambled egg.